Learn the difference between a limit order and a market order. What is a limit order? A limit order is an order to buy or sell a security at a specific price. To place a limit order, the investors specify a price and quantity at the time of buying or selling of shares. In a limit order, investors will fix both the price and quantity of shares. For example, if Tina wants to buy 20 shares at Rs 1000 per share, but the share is trading at Rs 1200 per share, Tina could submit a limit order of Rs 1000. This order will only execute if price reaches Rs 1000 per share. What is a market order? A market order is an order to buy or sell a security immediately. This type of order gets executed at the prevailing market price. In a market order, investors will fix the share quantity of shares to be bought and not the price. For example, if Tina wants to buy 200 shares, her order will get placed at the active or live market price of that time. Differences between limit order and market order. In limit order, investors need to fix the price and quantity of shares. In market order, investors need to fix only the quantity of shares. In limited order, order is executed based on prices specified by the investor. In market order, order is executed based on active or live market prices. In limit order, invest in high volatile stocks. In market order, invest in any kind of stock.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.